Hey guys, it's Alan, the Fireman 1028, and today we got another little simple video with our 2024 Honda Transalp. We're going to be installing another simple item that I don't know why the hell Honda did not include from the factory. A 12-volt accessory port. Now, this is the original Honda OEM accessory part. And on top of why they didn't install one, why are they still giving us a cigarette lighter that we have to put an adapter in 2024? So it is what it is. I like this one because it comes with the factory connector that plugs in right behind the dash to a dummy outlet right there. So we're going to be installing this today. Again, Honda, come on guys, give us this from the factory. But hang out with us and let's do this whole project. So for this project here, really, it's really simple. First step, we need to take off the TFT dash. Now ours is a little bit more complicated because you remember in our last video we installed this GPS mount that we haven't done anything with yet. So what we have to do is have to take off these two screws right here, which originally those are 4 or 5 millimeter, but with the SW Motec kit, these are now 3 millimeter. So a little 3 millimeter T-handle, and then you got a couple little push connectors here, and then the whole dash could come out, and then there's one connector behind there. Set this guy aside. All right, so we got those bolts out now. Now we just need to hit these little pop connectors here. Right there. Right there. They should just come, those little guys right there. They should just come right out. Now at this point we should be able to just pry the dash out. It's got a couple of pop rivets in there. Like that. And like that. And there's our factory connector right there, which is a simple plug. That guy right there plugs right into the back of the dash, and that's it. Now, with the dash removed, we'll turn this over, and there's this little dummy plug right here. Pop that guy out. Your accessory, your cigarette lighter accessory, come on Honda. It's got this little lock ring on it right here. Pull this guy off. You'll take and feed this through. Should have a little indexing tab, which it does, right there at the top. We'll put that on. Let's run our lock ring back through. Don't think it matters which way it is. Get that guy on. All right, lock ring in place. Now your 12-volt outlet is there and ready to go. All right, so our next step is we're going to take this, this plug right here. This is the factory accessory plug. There's a little dummy plug end on it. Let's see if we can pull that little guy out. There we go, just like that. Little dummy plug in. We will take our dash, take our accessory plug, and we're going to plug it right back into that same connector. We just pulled that dummy plug out. Just like that. Now, let's reconnect our TFT dash. put that weatherproof boot back on it. Now, let's get this guy back in position. You should hear a couple little pops. These little pins popping back in place. We'll take our little pop rivets here. So when they're in the installed position, they're flush like this. When you want to get it loose, you push the pin in. But when you're going to reinstall it, pop the little pin back out, like that. Slide it in place. And then clip it in. That's it. Now, let's take our SW Motec setup, put it back on the dash. Take our 3mm, tighten those down. All right, guys, so the next step in getting the 12-volt accessory to work is you got to plug this doohickey-majig in here. There's another dummy plug underneath the seat, and I guess it's just more of a relay that's underneath the seat that we got to plug that into. So step one, let's take our seat off. Step two, let's pick up our parts that we dropped. Is that the plug is underneath the factory toolkit. So let's move that guy aside, right there. And here's another dummy plug right here. So we'll pull that guy out, set the dummy plug aside. We'll plug this guy in here. Tuck it up in here. We'll secure it here in a little bit. Now, let's try it again. Over here on the dash. So let's turn our key back on with our GPS installed. Where the hell is my keys at? And there we go. Got power to the Garmin. So 12-volt accessory installed. We do have a power meter here, and it's reading 5.1 amps. So we now have our power outlet installed, and we have the relay that attaches on the back of the bike. A lot of reviews do not show the relay, so you have to get both part numbers, and I will post both part numbers in the description of the video. So that's it, guys. All right, guys, so that's it. That's the end of the installation. Really 2 screws, a couple push pins, but you need both part numbers. You need this part number here, which again, like I said, I'll put that up there. That's the actual 12-volt port itself, but then you have to have this sub-harness right here to supply power to the connector in the front. So again, this is underneath the seat. It's more of a relay, and then that gives you power to the outlet itself. Like I said, I'll post the price of both parts. I'll post the part numbers, and that's it. So again, real simple installation. These are really easy installation videos. Again, Honda, come on. We really shouldn't have to be installing an accessory port on what is supposed to be a touring bike in 2024. And then when you do give us one, you give us a dadgum cigarette outlet that we have to put another adapter into versus just giving us some USB or USB-C outlets. Rant over, sorry. Again, if you found anything useful in this, please give me a thumbs up, throw a comment up there if you have the same hatred for Honda and their lack of accessory ports. But thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. God bless, and roll Tide.